All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Zay's Garage here for another one. So, something came in the mail ahead of schedule, and that, my friend, is my new red stop start button. Super excited to put this thing in. I have a red interior. This stop start button is going to definitely help add a little touch in here, some more red. We already got enough red in here, but hey, a little bit more red won't hurt. So let's go on ahead and get this thing installed. Look at that there. That's real nice. I like that. That looks real clean. Real clean. All right. So I had to go get a few tools. I got a butter knife to pry the bezel off here, and then I found an old pick that I used to use that will help me free some of the tabs. So without further ado, guys, here goes nothing. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is I got some painter's tape here. This I'm gonna put this over the part where I'm prying so I don't scratch the dashboard a little bit. So good key. All right, let's get into it. All right, put that little bit of that right there. Just for a little bit of protection. You never know what might happen, fellas. You never know. All right, let's try and pry this out a little bit. Come on out of there, you. All right, fair enough. Okay, it is now out. All right, so we're gonna disconnect this little. Just gonna take my pick here. All right. Okay, so now it is free. So now there's apparently a few more clips I gotta release off of here. So let's see here. But I'm gonna go in here and take my little pick here, and I'm just gonna pop every single one of them off. All right, here we go. Well, actually, take that back. I don't actually need my pick to do it. You can just kind of pull them up. So that's what I'm gonna do here. One, 2, 3, and be careful with these. Be careful with these. 4. Oh, come on. 4. All right. Ooh. Well, that one was very sensitive. I pulled this one all the way. Pulled this one all the way back, and it didn't pop. That's crazy. Okay. And here's this one. All right. Some of these, not gonna lie, some of these are more sensitive than others. Seems like a German thing to me. Oh, wow. Jeez Louise, guys. Well, that came off a lot faster than I thought it was gonna come off. All right, so now we can go on ahead and pull our button out. So let's go ahead and do that. Go on and pull the button on out of here. You see the button bezel in the back here? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. This is where I might actually need the pick here. I mean, I used it before, but I'm definitely gonna need it to get this. There's a little clip. Come on, camera, focus. The day I get a real camera is gonna be the happiest day of my life. Oh, well, you can see there's 2 little clips in here that my camera won't freaking focus on. All right, well, you guys can kind of see what I'm getting at there. So I need to pop these 2 clips out just to be able to get the button out, but it's being so. Okay, so I finally got the button off. You see these 2 clips here that my camera still won't focus on. I had to use two little throngs here from my pick, and I stuck them in both of those tabs, and that freed the button. But the thing is, you got to do them at the same time, which is kind of interesting. Irritate. So make sure that you have like two different things that you can use to free these clips. That's one important thing to know. All right, guys, let's go on ahead and get our new button put in. It's the old one. Here's the new, nice and shiny red start stop. All right, so I'm just gonna slide it in with those where those old clips were. All right. All right, clicked in. The new button is good to go here. All right, so we're gonna put oh, well, that wasn't supposed to fall out. Okay, so I'm gonna snap this bezel back on here. Okay, it's not snapping on for some reason because all right, bezel is back on, so you can see it's all back together now. Last step here is to just plug it back in. All right, got a little click. And last but not least, let's just go on ahead and stick her back in the bezel. Bam. There she is. The red stop start button is now installed. Now let's just see and make sure it works. All right, we are all set. So I got my tape off, and there it is, guys. There it is. Red stop start button. Red interior. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Please leave a like and a comment, and please subscribe, guys, because this is just one of many mods that are coming in the weeks ahead for the BMW 340i, aka officially as of this week, Project X. So you guys know, not the movie Project X, but Project X, because I want to call it Project X. Okay, all right, guys, anyways, it's gonna be great, guys. We got so much stuff ahead, and I'm gonna make another video about what else is coming. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there.